Can you believe it? There are people in their 60s, even close to 80, whose skin is still firm, glowing, and youthful. It's not thanks to plastic surgery, nor to expensive skincare products. It all comes down to a surprisingly simple method, something many young people today have forgotten. It's an ingredient so common that it's often overlooked. Yet when combined correctly, it becomes a rejuvenating elixir, helping the skin become smoother, reducing wrinkles, and restoring a natural glow day by day. What's special is that it's not costly, doesn't require high-tech tools, and takes little time, yet delivers results that truly surprise people. Many women at retirement age, just by maintaining one small habit each week, appear younger than those who've just turned 40. So, what exactly are they doing? In the next few minutes, I'd like to share a simple, science-backed secret that anyone can start using today. But before getting into the how-to, I want you to understand one very important thing. Why does our skin become saggy, dull, and lifeless, even after regular care? You see, skin actually begins to age silently right after the age of 25. Each year, the body gradually produces less collagen and elastin, two essential components that keep the skin firm and elastic. When these connective fibers weaken, the skin begins to sag. Wrinkles form around the mouth and eyes, and eventually spread across the entire face, especially if you're frequently exposed to sunlight. Under constant mental stress, lacking sleep, or not eating well, the aging process speeds up even more. Many people ask me, why does my skin stay dull and wrinkled despite using all kinds of creams daily? My honest answer is, when the skin has lost its natural elasticity and energy. Its ability to absorb nutrients also decreases. It's like trying to iron and clean an old piece of fabric. It won't regain its original softness unless you care for it deep within every fiber. Our skin is the same. It needs external care, but more importantly, it needs internal nourishment, and we must also know how to stimulate the facial muscles to help the skin regenerate and repair itself. Thankfully, I found a simple but powerful method, starting with a very familiar fruit found in nearly every kitchen, the banana. You might think bananas are just a regular snack, but few people know they can be a gentle yet powerful remedy for the skin, when used correctly. Bananas are rich in vitamins and minerals like A, B6, C, potassium, and antioxidants. These nutrients soothe dry skin, reduce fine lines, and even out skin tone, naturally and without irritation. More importantly, bananas help restore elasticity, regenerate new cells, and nourish the skin from the outside in. There's a saying, eat a banana, and gain a younger-looking skin. But the truth is, if you use bananas in skincare properly and consistently each week, the results go beyond just looking younger. You'll age more slowly and more beautifully. I often say with a smile, among the countless skincare products in the world. Sometimes the simplest, most familiar things are exactly what people overlook, yet they can be just as effective as expensive cosmetics. Now, let me show you 4 ways to combine bananas with other everyday ingredients, and when done right, they bring incredible benefits to your skin. First recipe, banana and egg white, for lifting and firming the skin. Let me tell you, most people don't think of combining bananas with egg whites. It sounds odd at first, but this is a beauty trick that many older women have quietly followed, and the results often leave younger people stunned. Egg whites, especially, are packed with protein and natural collagen, which are vital for aging skin. When combined with ripe banana, these seemingly unrelated ingredients turn into a special face mask that makes the skin soft and smooth, gradually fades fine lines, and most importantly, naturally boosts cell regeneration in a gentle and effective way. I still remember the first time I tried this recipe. The feeling after washing my face was totally different. My skin felt clean, plump, and lightly lifted. The method is super simple. Mash half a ripe banana until smooth. Then mix with 1 egg white. Once it becomes a thick mixture, Gently apply it to your face and relax for about 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. You only need to do this 2 to 3 times a week. After just 3 weeks of consistency, you'll start to notice real changes. And if you want to enhance the results, you can use a banana-shaped massaging tool to gently lift and relax the facial muscles. For many, this method may sound odd, but just like with many simple things in life, it's often the unexpected tricks that deliver the most surprising results. Dear friends, among the many folk skincare methods, I especially value the combination of banana and turmeric. Not only are these ingredients affordable and easy to find, but they also complement each other perfectly. Banana soothes and hydrates, while turmeric repairs, calms inflammation, and revitalizes. From a scientific perspective, bananas provide vitamin A, B6, C, and potassium, which help hydrate the skin, improve elasticity, and slow down oxidation. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound that reduces melanin production, helping to lighten dark spots, freckles, and acne scars. Curcumin also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, especially great for sensitive skin prone to redness or folliculitis. When combined, these two ingredients offer both instant effects like soothing and hydrating, and long-term benefits. Your skin becomes brighter, more even-toned, less oily, and dark spots fade naturally over time, without harsh creams or aggressive treatments. But the most important factor is consistency. Just 2 to 3 times a week. 15 minutes each time. It's not much. But if done regularly, gently, and with care, it works wonders. It's like watering a plant. You don't have to flood it. Just water it right, and it will grow lush and green. Our skin is the same. It needs to be touched with kindness, given time to absorb and repair. And one day, when you look in the mirror, you'll be amazed at your own skin, smooth, softly radiant, and glowing, not because of expensive products, but because you've loved and cared for it with your own hands every day. Another recipe I truly want to share with you, simple yet highly effective, is the combination of banana and honey. I often turn to this when my skin feels tired, dull, or when small breakouts appear due to changes in the weather or regular eating habits. As I mentioned earlier, bananas are rich in vitamins B, C, and potassium, which help soothe the skin, hydrate, and restore dry or dehydrated areas. Raw honey, on the other hand, is like a natural antibiotic for the skin. It contains enzymes and antioxidants that gently cleanse, reduce inflammation, and calm irritated skin. When combined, these two ingredients not only leave your skin feeling soft and smooth but also promote healing of minor blemishes while gradually brightening your complexion. To prepare it, simply mash half a ripe banana and mix it with 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Apply the mixture evenly on freshly cleansed skin. Leave it on for about 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. If used regularly 2 to 3 times a week, your skin will gradually brighten, redness and small blemishes will fade, and your skin tone will look healthier and more even. Fourth recipe, gentle, suitable for all skin types, especially dull, uneven, or sensitive skin prone to redness, is banana combined with yogurt. It may sound simple, but the benefits are far from ordinary. Did you know that plain yogurt contains natural lactic acid, a mild acid that gently exfoliates dead skin cells? This helps remove dull layers, revealing brighter skin day by day without thinning or irritating it like many brightening products do. Yogurt also contains B vitamins, zinc, and calcium, essential nutrients for repairing damaged skin, soothing sunburns, and reversing environmental damage. When mixed with ripe banana, already rich in vitamins C and potassium, this combination becomes a natural moisturizer that softens an even skin tone without any harsh chemicals. It's incredibly easy to make. Mash half a ripe banana and mix with 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt. The mixture should be soft and slightly thick. After cleansing your face, apply gently, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for about 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Immediately, you'll feel your skin hydrated, smoother, and visibly calmer in uneven areas. I often use this mask on days when my skin feels drained, especially after sun exposure or sleepless nights that make my complexion look dull and lifeless. That feeling of your skin being nourished and quenched, it doesn't just make you look better. It lifts your spirit. Every time I use this mask, I'm not just treating my skin, I'm slowing down. Taking a moment to remind myself that beauty often comes from those small, quiet acts of care and love we give ourselves each day. Lastly, the banana and oatmeal mask, perfect for those seeking a gentle, safe exfoliation. If you're looking for a way to cleanse your skin without thinning it or causing dryness and irritation like harsh scrubs, this is a must-try. I like to call it the gentle but deep clean recipe. It removes dull, dead skin on the surface while nourishing the fresh layer underneath. Oatmeal is a familiar ingredient, rich in soluble fiber, B and E vitamins, and antioxidants like avenanthramides, known for soothing the skin, calming inflammation, and cleansing pores without disrupting the natural moisture barrier. When combined with mashed banana, your skin isn't just exfoliated, it's also deeply hydrated, softened, and brightened even after the first use. To make it, mash half a ripe banana and mix with 1 teaspoon of finely ground oatmeal. If the mixture feels too thick, add a few drops of warm water. Apply to clean skin and gently massage in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes, especially around the nose, forehead, and chin, then leave it on for another 10 minutes. Finally, rinse off with warm water and pat dry with a soft towel. After just a few uses, your skin will feel renewed, smoother, brighter, and without the dryness or irritation caused by most scrubs. This recipe is perfect for weekend use, a way to detox not just your skin, but also your spirit, to slow down, soften up, and learn to love yourself more. And finally, the most important message I want to share is this: truly beautiful skin doesn't just come from what you put on the outside, it comes from how you nourish your body from within. Healthy skin needs more than masks and creams, it needs proper nutrition, hydration, and balance from your daily habits. You may not have noticed, but those with glowing, even, smooth skin often have healthy diets, get enough sleep, and maintain a calm mind. Because skin reflects more than age, it reflects your lifestyle. Each morning, I start my day with a banana smoothie, blended with unsweetened milk and a spoonful of raw honey. It sounds simple, but it's a powerful mix of vitamins A, B, C, E and antioxidants. That drink helps brighten the skin, improves sleep, and gives a lighter mood throughout the day. If you're in a rush, just drink warm water with a few slices of fresh ginger. It helps detox, warms the stomach, and enhances nutrient absorption, which in turn boosts your skin's natural glow. I truly believe real beauty doesn't come from layers of makeup, but from the kindness you give to your own body every single day. A warm drink, a ripe banana, a few minutes of self-care, they may seem small, but done regularly, they create miracles. You don't need expensive cosmetics. You just need to understand what your skin truly needs and love it the right way, every day. Wishing you glowing skin, a light heart, and a joyful smile at any age. Living beautifully starts with life's simplest acts. See you again soon.